our journey begins where every noodle is born, in vast fields of ripened wheat.
Modern harvesters cut, collect, and separate grains in a single smooth motion. Inside, vibrating sieves filter wheat from straw with mechanical precision. Collected grains rise steadily inside the tank, ready for transfer. In motion, wheat shifts seamlessly into transport trailers.
Check the protein levels on this section. Slightly higher than the last reading. Let's record that.
Quality checks begin right here, ensuring only mature kernels proceed.
Convoys of fresh wheat move toward initial drying hubs. Before entering mills, moisture levels are stabilized through controlled drying.
Drying fields like these ensure consistent moisture across every kernel.
Technicians verify moisture content before bulk transport. The first separation removes dust and lightweight impurities from the harvest. From here, grains are routed into giant storage silos.
Here the grain rests briefly before its controlled journey to the noodle plant.
Augers and pressure lines maintain continuous movement without contamination. High-flow pneumatic systems push grains efficiently to loading zones. Food-grade trucks receive measured loads for the journey to the noodle factory. A controlled convoy ensures consistent supply for high-volume production. Beyond the roads lies the destination, UU, a modern instant noodle plant. The factory stands as a maze of interconnected systems designed for efficiency.
Every incoming load undergoes hygiene verification. Food safety begins at the gate.
Precise tracking ensures accurate milling ratios deeper inside.
The raw ingredient arrives at its final transformation site.
Pre-cleaners reduce bulk impurities, preparing grains for precision milling. Even microscopic metal contaminants are removed for absolute safety. Airflow channels separate grains by density to ensure consistent milling quality. Now purified, the grains advance toward mechanical breakdown. This stage initiates the grain's transformation into fine flour. The milling process begins, the foundation of every instant noodle. Every entry point is tightly controlled to maintain food safety.
Strict hygiene ensures contamination never enters production zones.
Precise monitoring governs how much flour enters each production cycle. From here, flour travels through sealed channels to prevent contamination.
Auger conveyors propel the flour smoothly toward fine screening.
Sifters remove oversized particles, ensuring uniform texture. Only the finest flour continues onward, crucial for noodle consistency. Pressurized lines deliver flour directly to the heart of noodle making. Brine gives instant noodles their structure, elasticity, and signature bite. Oil integrates into the dough to control texture and mouthfeel. Three essential ingredients converge roundly, the foundation of instant noodles.
Inside, blades are ready to shape the raw mixture into dough. The transformation begins. Loose ingredients become living dough.
Inside the mixer, the dough develops its strength and elasticity. Once fully kneaded, the dough is released for refinement. Each portion is carried forward for controlled shaping. The first rollers press the dough into a unified sheet.
Technicians monitor uniformity, ensuring perfect noodle texture later.
With each pass, the dough evolves into a refined noodle sheet. A gentle dusting keeps the sheet workable through upcoming steps. Smoothening rollers ensure an even surface for perfect noodle strands. High-precision sensors maintain unmatched consistency.
Aging relaxes the dough, increasing flexibility for cutting.
Careful timing ensures ideal dough elasticity. Controlled tension aligns the dough for clean, precise cutting. Here, straight dough becomes recognizable noodle strands. Mechanical oscillations create the world-famous instant noodle wave. Noodles are laid evenly, preparing for their next transformation. A controlled mist keeps noodles supple before steaming. Inside this tunnel, the noodles gain their final shape and firmness.
Steaming locks the noodle structure, readying them for final processing.
Freshly steamed noodles transition instantly to controlled cooling.
Bungao. Rapid cooling stabilizes the noodle strands before cutting.
Alignment plates guide noodles into precise formation. Each cut produces the iconic block-size portion seen in instant noodle packets. Conveyors space each block evenly for the next transformation. This step preserves the iconic noodle wave we expect in every cup or packet. An air curtain removes stray moisture before dehydration.
Most instant noodles are fried punluth, giving them longevity and a ready-to-cook structure. At precisely controlled temperatures, noodles enter the fryer.
Frying removes moisture quickly while preserving structure.
Blocks emerge crisp and light, tonvid, the signature texture of instant noodles.
Air knives ensure the product carries no excess oil.
Cooling stabilizes the fried noodles before final shaping. Human oversight remains vital to ensure perfect product quality. Every block must pass metal detection to guarantee consumer safety. Blocks are aligned precisely for portion checking.
Each piece must meet exact weight standards before packaging.
With frying complete, the noodles advance toward the final transformation stage. Seasoning begins its journey as a blend of finely engineered flavors. Once mixed, the blend moves directly to precision dosing. Dozens of lines form and seal sachets at lightning speed.
Each packet is airtight, locking in freshness and flavor.
Even the smallest packet receives absolute precision.
Both components must arrive at the exact same moment. Automation ensures every pack receives its perfect companion.
Human vision adds a final layer of quality assurance.
Flow wrapping secures the noodles inside protective, airtight packaging.
With sealing complete, the packs stabilize for boxing.
Systems group packets precisely to meet retail requirements.
Cartons are shaped and ready to receive freshly packed noodles. Accurate filling ensures every carton meets distribution standards. Each carton is sealed securely for transport. Traceability codes guarantee full product tracking across the supply chain. Robotic systems prepare the product for large-scale distribution.